Hi everyone, let's see how you can create new partition out of your C drive. To begin with, simply right click over Windows icon and click on Disk Management. From here, do not touch any other partition of the drive, it will be only the C drive. So right click over C drive and click on Shrink Volume. Now enter the values for your new partition. I'll be inputting this value that will create a 100 GB partition from my C drive. After done, simply click on Shrink. It will show something unallocated. Now right click over this drive and click on New Simple Volume. Click on Next. Next again. You can assign a drive letter manually from here or keep it as it is. Click on Next. If you want, you can change the volume level and click on Next and finally on Finish. Now the drive will get formatted. Once done, the drive will open automatically. As you can see, I have created a 100 GB partition from my C drive. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel. Thank you.